Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the right sleep pot and siting it close to your bed. Choose one sized for your sleep surface and room. Once placed, add a breathable cover and a thermometer so you can monitor temperature. This matters because steady warmth supports slow, restful onset. Set a timer for the initial 30-45 minutes of use and turn on low settings. This prevents overheating. Make sure to keep a clear space around the pot and double-check cords for safety before proceeding. You now fine-tune the sleep pot to match how your body responds. Start with a gentle target of about 32-35 degrees because this range promotes relaxation without disrupting core sleep regulation. Once set, use the low diffusion or fan mode to distribute warmth evenly. If you still feel chilly, raise temperature by 1 to 2 degrees at a time and test that night. Keep a brief sleep log for a week or two so you can correlate settings with how quickly you fall asleep and how deep your rest feels. You finish each session by tapering heat. Reduce temperature slowly for 10 minutes before powering down because abrupt cooling can jolt sleep cycles. Once done, air the pot and cover to prevent moisture buildup. If you notice condensation, increase room ventilation or swap to a moisture-wicking cover. This protects fabric and reduces chill. If your sleep quality worsens, you feel overheated, or the device malfunctions, stop using it and consult the product manual or support. That single troubleshooting step resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.